Hi, I'm Tom from Charters Citroen, and now we're going to go through a quick video of how the MyCitroën app and connectivity works with your new electric car. Now the MyCitroën app was put together to make navigation, vehicle maintenance and vehicle information at your fingertips. It also acts as your service book and service reminder for your intervals on car maintenance. Now from the app you can activate easy to use functions such as e-routes to plan yourself stress-free electric journeys. Now here from the app you can also activate your climate functions, enabling preconditioning of the vehicle before you get in. You can also schedule these for every morning just as you're getting into the car to warm it up for you. Now similarly, your charge status. From here you can control your charging speed, remaining time, as well as deferred charging to optimize those lower tariffs for your nightly charge. When using a public charger, this will also tell you when you're nearly full. You can also find your local charge station by clicking this button down below. Now, as mentioned, this app also acts as your digital service record, allowing you to view maintenance schedules and upcoming services. It can also give you information on recent driving trips, as well as the amount of energy used. Another great feature of the MyCitroën app is your vehicle setting down below, which allows you to browse user guides and vehicle documentation on your specific model of vehicle. It also contains the handy feature of location on your car. Great for when you lose your car in the car park, which believe me, has happened to me once or twice. Now thank you very much for watching these videos on the connected services and our information on the brand new Citroen E-C3. If you do have any further questions or want to seek out a test drive on our new car, please do feel free to contact either me or one of the team here at Charters Citroen on 01252 21 31 50. Thanks for watching.